Okay, now that you know what a triple shuffle is, let's practice them. We are going to start with a little thing I came up with to help you get the movement of the leg, the hip, the knee. There's so many components that go into this. And so we're not going to do the triple shuffle initially. We're going to do this little practice thing where you're going to put the side of your foot on the floor and then straighten that leg hard and fast and sort of untwist it and let that toe pop on the floor. So we're going to do a bunch of those. And then after you've done that, then we'll go ahead and attempt a whole bunch of triple shuffles. And we'll even put the triple shuffle into a couple of different combinations, including a triple shuffle ball change. We are going to start with that triple shuffle prep exercise I showed you in the last section. And you're going to start with the right foot and you're going to do 8. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're going to change feet. Then you do 8 on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we switch and do 8 on the right again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 8 on the left again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you're going to do 4 on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, change. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And hopefully that will help have things warmed up. When you do these, again, think about turning that leg out, think about sitting into that hip, and then you're straightening that knee kind of hard and fast and twisting everything around so that the knee's going to face front, that heel scoops around. Okay, and if you do that same sort of thing with the foot off the floor and just coming close enough to the floor to strike it, you might do a triple shuffle. So after we finish that part, we're going to go for triple shuffles then. You're going to do 8 with the right foot. We're going to put a nice pause in between so you don't feel too frantic about it. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, step. Then you do the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, step. Then you're going to do 4 on the right side. 4, 3, 2, 1, switch, then 4 on the left side. 4, 3, 2, 1, switch. Then you're going to do 2 on the right. 1, 2, switch. 2 on the left. 1, 2, switch. And then you're going to do 8 triple shuffle steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, from here we are going to do the triple shuffles but without the pause in between. So you're going to be doing 8 on the right, so you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, switch. 8 on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, switch. We do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, switch. Then the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, switch. Okay. From here, we are going to do triple shuffle ball change. And we're going to kind of slow it down again a little bit. And you are going to do 7 triple shuffle ball changes and then a triple shuffle step to change sides. So starting with the right foot, you're going 1 ball change, 2 ball change, 3 ball change, 4 ball change, 5, 6, 7, triple shuffle step. Then we do it on the left side. 1 ball change, 2 ball change, 3 ball change, 4 ball change, 5 ball change, 6, 7, triple shuffle step. Then you're going to do 3 triple shuffle ball changes, and then the 4th triple shuffle is going to just go to a step, change sides. So you go 1 ball change, 2 ball change, 3 ball change, triple shuffle step, 1 ball change, 2 ball change, 3 ball change, triple shuffle step. Then you're going to do 1 triple shuffle ball change and triple shuffle step. So you go triple shuffle ball change, triple shuffle step, triple shuffle ball change, triple shuffle step. And then from here, we are going to do a few more triple shuffle steps. Okay, then, so you're going to do a triple shuffle and put the toe down and then do a heel drop. So it's going to be triple shuffle, toe, heel, triple shuffle, toe, heel, triple shuffle, toe, heel. Then you're going to do a paddle and roll, and then alternating heel drops. And that shifts your weight so that you can do it on the other side. Triple shuffle, toe, heel, triple shuffle, toe, heel, triple shuffle, toe, heel, paddle, roll, and heel, heel. We're going to do that again. So on the right side, triple shuffle, toe, heel, triple shuffle, toe, heel, triple shuffle, toe, heel, paddle, roll, and heel, heel, triple shuffle, toe, heel, triple shuffle, toe, heel, triple shuffle, toe, heel, paddle, roll, and heel, heel. So you're basically doing 2 complete sets. Then we are going to do that one more time, this time with a toe drop instead of the heel drop on the opposite foot. So you're going triple shuffle, toe, toe, triple shuffle, toe, toe, triple shuffle, toe, toe, paddle, roll, and heel, heel, triple shuffle, toe, toe, triple shuffle, toe, toe, triple shuffle, toe, toe, paddle, roll. Do it again, triple shuffle, toe, shuffle, toe, toe, triple shuffle, toe, toe, paddle, roll, and heel, heel, triple shuffle, toe, toe.